Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to hide product price if we set product price 0 in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now on screen, we set product price 0. So we are going to hide product price. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to install plugin. Then in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation, scroll down on left side you see code snipper. Then you see add snipper. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snipper section open. Scroll down, you can add title A. Then you see code preview. On right side you see code type drop down, select PHP snipper. Now we are going to paste code. And you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto install, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and save, and you will find code in video description or in comment section. Now go to shop page. Now you see product price 0. So this is our product. Now refresh the page. Now you see product price hide. Now go to shop page. Again refresh the page. Now here you see product price hide, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.